Zoho Social Tutorial. Zoho Social Media Management Tutorial. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to utilize our platform over here. So I have connected our Blue Sky platform over here just to demonstrate our platform and how you could utilize it. So first things first that you're going to be able to do is when you first open this is to connect your platform. So just simply connect it to the many platforms that are available for us to connect with. You are able to connect with Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok, all kinds of platforms that you are able to connect. As you can see here, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, and many more over here. So just choose any platform that you will be managing into our Zoho over here. And after you have successfully connected them, you will be able to see here and in your homepage, your platform. So over here, we have our channel, our Blue Sky Social. It will show you how much followers you have, new followers, number of posts, reach, and engagements over here. Typical things that we will be able to do with our Zoho here is we could manage our posts. We could manage our messages over here. We could also manage our inboxes, monitor over here. So these are for other types of social platform. As you can see, just simply connect the ones that are relevant. For us, I don't think monitor will be available for us. I guess it's only available to specific social platforms. Aside from that, we could also click on collaborate over here. You will be able to see, or this is where you will be able to work with your team, because doing social management is sometimes not a one-person job. So typically you will be able to have some teams as well working for you. So you can invite your teammates over here and you will be able to do some discussions, approval for posts, stuff like that. You could check out conversations, connections, and reports on how you guys are doing and so on and so forth. And for a general report, you will be able to view it over here in our reports area. You will be able to check out the audience summary, post and engagement summary, and so on and so forth. So to get started, main things that we will be able to do is our post. So we could simply click on our post over here on the top right, and you could easily create bulk, schedule, or customize content. So aside from that, you could also simply click it as it is, which will allow you to simply post whatever you want directly and anything over here. We have different options for here. We have schedule for a specific date, add to queue if you have a lot of posts that are being approved or like just in line that you don't want to be pasted or posted right away. So over here, let's just simply say hello world, something like that. And then what you could do is you could either send it for approval for these or for situations where you are in a team and you have an approver. So as you can see here, there are no approver in my brand right now. But in the case that there is, which is going to be the case when there are some teams, this is something that you're going to want to turn on. But if you want to publish it right now, you can simply do that. And you can even add some media, hashtags, and emojis over here. Something like that. And you can even use AI over here for help if you prefer, but simply click on post now. And as you can see, it will say post in progress. You will be able to see here recent posts as well, by the way. And you might have noticed when we were adding a post, we're going to have to wait for this, but when we were adding a post, there was a section at the top part where you could see the logo of our Blue Sky over here, which will basically allow you to monitor and post multiple items or multiple you're going to be able to post whatever content that you did with multiple platforms. So over here at the top, you could simply select all the different channels that you want. And what would happen actually is you can just select all the different options or channels that you want a specific post to be posted to. So for example, our hello world over here, in the case that we have connected our Facebook as well, this specific post will be posted directly as well into your Facebook. And looking over here in our Blue Sky, you can see here that it is actually posted just there and then. So if you like this or repost this, you should then be able to also see an update over here in our section. So you could actually view it over here. You could chat whatever here that you want. So as you can see here, like this, click on post. So you could reply on the different comments on your post directly in Zoho as well. And it would be, or anything that happens in Zoho will also be available here in our Blue Sky. As you can see, it will reflect whatever you are doing. And you will be able to do this, or typically the way you take advantage of Zoho is to connect all your different social media platforms. So this is it. Right now, it's a bit underwhelming, but with all the different platforms working together, all your different channels over here, you will be able to see the potential of your Zoho over here with the amount of things that you will be able to perform. We can also do some customizable content over here. So this one, the content you will load will be copied to all selected channels, as you can see here. This is what I was talking about earlier. We can also try the Compose with Zoho here, but you will need an OPI or OpenAI API key over here to do that. But we can also do some ad key over here. Let's go testing. As you can see over here, we can choose from the next available slot across all brands. We have to set up publishing queue for you by default, so we could customize it by going here, click on yes, and we could click on create my queue. So for example, there are only specific time that you publish on a Monday or like a day, and let's say that those are the only publishing time that you have alone, and then we will be able to post our postings on the specific slots only. So over here, we have publishing preference as well. You could have approvers over here. This is where you will be able to upload or rather add people. And over here for the post, you could also post all production until the admin retrieves them. And you could also create some hashtags group, which will help a lot of people. Right now, we're currently in the settings, which is going to be very important, because this is where you will be able to manage everything that you're checking or having. So you can manage your integration, brand members, publishing over here, inbox preference, roles and permissions over here. You could put in whether a specific member can publish or message or reply. So you could have specific users be able to, or you can assign the replying job to specific users, the publishing job to specific users, the messaging job to specific users or your team. So those are things that you could do. You could check out your members over here, portal settings, and your audit log over here, or audit log, so that you can see what's happening, the connections or like the platforms that you have connected, and so on and so forth. So aside from that, you could also do some bulk schedule, meaning you could upload a bunch of posts over here, and there will be a sample file over here which will guide you on what the sequence or style would be. And there will also be a guide here like the format your file, which will basically bulk upload or upload all of this. Or if you have a lot of posts, it will upload all of that in one go, or depending on the preference that you have set. But anyway, that's basically the overview on how you will be able to use the Zoho Social. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.